It's a 78 floors building.
78 floors. Arey, 78 floors. Makkale paathukenga. This is what is this? I seriously don't understand. You know, to reach this spot itself, it took us like say about half an hour. Because I seriously enga irukanga, where's Richa அந்த மாதிரி தான் இருந்தது. So tell me, I think how long you have been here?
I used to live in the other suburb in Bandra.
Okay.
But now I moved here because of, you can see I have a beautiful pool here and a little garden here where you can have a little banquet parties. We moved here during COVID. We realized we needed open space. Open space is like much needed in Mumbai. So that's when I moved here and this is home. He's 9 years old. He knows I'm an actor because not because he's seen me acting, because some parents tell their children and those children tell that your mother is acting. She doesn't. So Mama, you don't go to office. I said no, I don't go to office. I'm an actor. I go for shootings. So once when he was small, he saw me crying on screen. And he was 3 or 4. He was crying himself. So Mama, you're crying. Why are you crying? So yeah, now he doesn't care. Like the other day I was shooting with Shah Rukh Khan for Tide.
Tide, yes.
And I told him, you know, this. I was very excited. I said, I'm shooting with Shah Rukh Khan. But he's another generation. He's not Shah Rukh Khan generation. He is a Ranveer Singh.
Ranveer Singh, oh okay.
He's a Ranveer Singh generation.
Okay.
So he said, Mama, I said, do you want to come for my shooting? But just stay in the corner, it's Shah Rukh Khan. But it's not Ranveer Singh, Mama. I said, it's Shah Rukh Khan. You don't know what's Shah Rukh Khan. He knows that I go for shooting, but it's not like I want to come for your shooting. I want to see. So once my very close friend Roshni, she's a director of in Chennai. I've done a lot of ads with her. So during COVID, she told me, you know what? Why don't you and your son do an ad together?
Okay.
You know, because it was COVID, I cannot be with anybody. So I told him, but he was like, how boring, what will I do, you know, in just front of him. But now I think over a time, I think he's enjoying acting. He's a part of in drama in school. But you know, kids, you just want to let them be the way they are and whatever they want to do. There's no pressure. I had done a couple of, again, small bits with Shah Rukh. I had done another ad earlier with him. He's beyond an actor, So just be in the same frame with him. He's everything what charisma, you know, the love he has, the humbleness he has, the respect for people, women. So that's why you don't see him as an actor then. You see him as an aura. He has this aura about being the most amazing person. And you forget, okay, I'm with an actor, I'm with an amazing person. And I'm with this person who has such charisma. He's got that warmth in him, you know. He was like, come, let's rehearse. And I'm like, yeah, of course I'll rehearse. You know, I was like, so then I just told him like, sir, if I have to look into your eyes.
Did you tell your husband about this? You're acting with Shah Rukh Khan?
He said, you're not going to sleep tonight only. I said, of course I'm not going to sleep.
Good husband.
At least he knows the reality.
Reality. He's accepting it, I believe. I feel you seems to be very natural, whether you carry yourself with the makeup, you don't put too much of makeup or your
I'm
hair.
just,
You're like that,
I've not combed my hair today also now that you come. So, but it's, that's me. That's and that's one of the reasons I want to stay fit. I want to stay the way I am. You never know when the right
opportunity. You can be fit, but for not all these years. She wanted to be fit for this, but that is amazing. For all these years, you've been actually even more.